upside down. It's okay. We're gonna test out the two QiYi lubes. Don't mind the noise outside. It's just some random guy. So I ordered the two QiYi lubes from Shopee, and it has some freebies, some logos in it from MnM Cube Shop. Let's try it. I hope this logos is small as I expect. Okay, not bad. So we have 4 logos and one DNA stand from QiYi Toys. I think I'm gonna put this on my other cubes. This one is just a replacement for my 2 previous lubes, and this is my 3rd and 4th lubes that I'm gonna test out with this cube and this. Yeah, but frankly I already know this is gonna be slow when I use this with these 2 cubes. See that? The main reason why I ordered this, because this cheese stickers was too fast and unstable, and I wanted to slow it down. Okay. It's kind of hard. Set aside this. I don't want to use this anymore. It's very easy. Oh, that's wrong. How do you... I forgot. Wait. I'm gonna pause it. So I thought I was wrong. I just need to pull out the cap or tilt it. Maybe let's put some drops on it. There's 3, because that says on the instructions. It's the first rinse. Okay, now the cube is very stable. I can use this later or maybe tomorrow. But I don't have a timer yet. So that's why I haven't been recording videos and uploading for the past days, for the past weeks, because my phone died. I guess I'll give you an example soon. Okay, just do an OLL. Okay. So let's try another one. Okay, basic F to L. Another slot, back slot, F to L, OLL. Nice. I think that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.